Deciding what plant to buy next on your trip to the garden centre? Here are some recommendations.
Native plants, particularly very wide open petalled native plants. But there's a whole range these days with garden centres and so on, and what you really need to be looking for are labels saying bee friendly. If you really mix up your flower beds so that you have lots of different flowers, you will see that most of these plants have very open flowers. Some have trumpet-shaped flowers, but they're still open. They still allow the bees access in to get to the nectar. And that's the fundamental thing, really, is the ease at which bees can actually land on a flower to access the pollen and the nectar.
Also, why not grab an echium? These are bees' best friends as well as being beautiful. Other plants include tomatoes, foxgloves, lavender, rosemary, sage and thyme, all of which give off beautiful aromas, making them friendly for the pollinators and creating a calming environment for your senses too.